Today, we're diving into the 2025 Toyota Sienna, a minivan that continues to redefine what a family vehicle can be. Known for its reliability, spacious interior, and hybrid efficiency, the Sienna has been a favorite among families for years. In this article, we'll explore its refreshed design, tech upgrades, performance, and why it might be the best minivan in 2025. Let's get started. Exterior design styling. The 2025 Toyota Sienna boasts a sleek and modern design that stands out in the minivan segment. Its bold front grille, slim LED headlights, and sculpted body lines give it an SUV-like appearance. Toyota offers a new front fascia with a more aggressive bumper design on sportier trims like the XSE. New alloy wheels, stylish 18 and 20-inch wheels available. Color options, fresh colors like platinum white, lunar silver, and midnight blue have been added. Power sliding doors, standard across all trims, making entry and exit a breeze. With its sporty and refined looks, the 2025 Sienna is more than just a family hauler, it's a statement on wheels. Interior comfort space. Step inside the 2025 Sienna, and you're greeted with a premium cabin designed for comfort and convenience. The minivan seats up to 8 passengers with 3 rows of plush seats wrapped in high-quality materials. Higher trims offer leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, and power-adjustable captain's chairs. Cabin highlights. Second-row ottoman seats, available on limited and platinum trims for maximum comfort. Panoramic moonroof, makes the cabin feel even more open and airy. Cargo space, with up to 101 cubic feet of cargo capacity, the Sienna handles everything from grocery runs to family vacations. Storage convenience. Multiple cup holders, USB port, and smartphone charging pads are thoughtfully placed throughout. Toyota has also improved cabin insulation for a quieter ride, ensuring family trips are peaceful and relaxing. Technology infotainment. The 2025 Sienna comes loaded with cutting-edge technology aimed at keeping everyone entertained and connected. Infotainment system. Standard display, a 9-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa integration. Premium audio, the available JBL sound system ensures concert-quality audio. Rear seat entertainment, an optional 11.6-inch rear display with HDMI and streaming support keeps kids entertained on long drives. Driver assistance connectivity. Digital cockpit, a 10-inch digital instrument cluster is standard on higher trims. Head-up display, projects key information onto the windshield. Connected services, remote start, vehicle tracking, and maintenance reminders through the Toyota app. The 2025 Sienna also supports over-the-air updates, ensuring your tech stays up to date without trips to the dealership. Performance efficiency. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Sienna features a 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain delivering 245 horsepower. This hybrid setup includes an electric motor and a continuously variable transmission, CVT, providing smooth acceleration and excellent fuel economy. Performance specs. Fuel economy, up to 36 mpg combined, making the Sienna the most fuel-efficient minivan in its class. All-wheel drive, AWD, available on all trims, ensuring better traction in all weather conditions. Towing capacity, up to 3,500 pounds, perfect for small trailers and campers. The Sienna's suspension has been retuned for a smoother ride, while its steering remains light and responsive, making it surprisingly fun to drive for a minivan. Safety driver assistance. Safety has always been a top priority for Toyota, and the 2025 Sienna is no exception. Every model comes equipped with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0, which includes a suite of advanced driver assistance features. Standard safety features. Pre-collision system, with pedestrian and cyclist detection. Lane departure alert, with steering assist. Adaptive cruise control, maintains a safe following distance. Road sign assist, reads speed limit and stop signs. Available upgrades. 360-degree camera, for easier parking and maneuvering. Blind spot monitoring, alerts you of vehicles in adjacent lanes. Parking sensors, with automatic braking to prevent collisions. The Sienna also earned a 5-star safety rating from the NHTSA, making it one of the safest vehicles for families. Trim levels pricing. The 2025 Toyota Sienna is available in 5 trims: LE, XLE, XSE, Limited, and Platinum. Trim highlights. LE starts around $38,000 with key features like power sliding doors, 9-inch touchscreen, and hybrid powertrain. XLE adds leatherette seating, a power liftgate, and sunshades. XSE offers sporty styling, larger wheels, and premium upholstery. Limited comes with premium leather, heated, ventilated seats, and a premium audio system. Platinum, fully loaded with all tech and luxury features, priced near $55,000. Toyota's reputation for reliability and strong resale value makes the Sienna a smart long-term investment. The 2025 Toyota Sienna is more than just a minivan. It's a versatile family vehicle with SUV-like looks, a spacious interior, advanced tech, and unmatched hybrid efficiency. Whether you're running errands, taking a road trip, or carpooling, the Sienna delivers comfort, convenience, and peace of mind. If you're looking for a family vehicle that blends practicality with style, the 2025 Sienna is worth considering. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching. Which feature of the 2025 Toyota Sienna impressed you the most? Let us know below. Stay tuned for more car reviews and updates.